Hey guys, Paul Inventor 3 here. Just a quick update. Doing much better now. Feeling much better. It's a long road to recovery. Still waiting for a lot of my taste buds to come back. Half my dinner is through my mouth, the other half is, pumped into my intestines through a tube, and yeah, anyhow. Uh, but anyhow, doing much better. Feeling much better. I'm back to work full time, which is a big exercise in itself, helping me get my energy back. Uh, Talking about the projects now. Uh, yeah, let me show you some things here real quick. There's some ferrite core that I bought, uh, making a transformer. Actually, right over there, I have one. Twice as many windings on one side as there is on the other side. And I'm still keeping within uh, they're still in harmonics and everything with all my other coils, put it that way, the wavelength. Uh, yeah, I'm really upset about my LEDs being smashed apart by the possum. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good panels here out of 15. The other ones I'll probably have to be rebuilt. But right now, guys, my laboratory is in such disarray, man. There's just stuff, you know, just stuff, man, just everywhere. Let me step back here. I mean, it's just stuff everywhere. Billions of bulbs, and it's getting to a point where I just, it's hard for me to work or concentrate here, even have room to sit in here and move around. So I'm going to take probably a couple weeks trying to organize my lab here a little bit. If I can't think and organize, I need to be able to lay out a circuit and have you guys be able to see it and understand how it's laid out. And this is just out of control now. I don't have any room to work. That's a problem. It gets frustrating, and I can't concentrate. So we're gonna have to clean this up a little bit. I have to take some time now. It's just gotten to that point. I mean, even my Tesla coil back there. When I first started this project, this whole lab was clean. This project kind of took over everything. I was thinking I've already got a record of 1,500 LEDs. And I told you guys at one time that I could double that without these 1,500 LEDs getting any dimmer. And I still feel very, very, very confident, almost 100% positive that I could do that. So I keep thinking about that too. It's a lot of work though, a lot of time. Put that many more LEDs together. And then I think, well, these are diffused. Should I use different type of LED? Or maybe some Cree lighting. Many times I think, well, why use all these LEDs at all? Why not use some Cree panels from inside the bulbs themselves? One of those might be as bright as 500 of these LEDs. So yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of torn where to go here. And like I said, I built this transformer thing here. and I've tried it in series and in parallel, and I've tried it in place of my primary coil. I've tried it going across the AC capacitor back there from a microwave. So I'm going to have your guys' input more very soon on this stuff, and but right now I got to think about which way I'm going, and I need some room. I can't think. I got to organize things, so that's where we're at today, guys, and so we'll be back in a few more weeks here. Hopefully it won't take too long. I'm not going to try to organize the entire laboratory here, just organize somewhat so I could think and have room to work. And then I could lay things out very clearly and get your guys' input a lot more, and we could start making some faster progress here. Without any ways of transforming anything, I've been able to get as much as 350, 360 volts out of this system. 2.5 years later, I'm still sitting here trying to figure out how is that possible. I'm only putting out like 12 volts. How is that giving me over 300 volts? And it's usable. You know, I could light 2 or 3 bulbs. Well, 2 bulbs in series with that if each one takes 125. You know, there's current coming along with it too. I mean, so how's it possible? It's got to be my secret sauce. But yet I've doubled my secret sauce, and I've connected 2 secret sauces in parallel and in series. And believe it or not, when I did that, there was absolutely zero difference. The frequency didn't even change through the system. I'm like, what? So, I don't know. More has to be done there. I think that secret sauce really is something. Anyhow, guys. Alright, let me get to organizing stuff so that we can move on here and make better and faster progress. Start charging more capacitors and more batteries and all that good stuff. Get some motors running. Get some incandescent bulbs lit and all that good stuff. So it's coming. The energy's there. It's just, you know, there's a lot of guys out there that have more electrical engineering and stuff than I do too. So yeah, I got 20 years of learning energy, you know. That's my expertise, but I'm still kind of all self-taught. I only had 2 years correspondence class in electronics itself. Through Ashworth University. But anyhow. Alright, guys. We'll be back again soon, okay? Things will only get better from here. But unfortunately, I got to stop and organize everything. So, have a great day, and we'll be back again soon.